Once you get no step, no hold, here's your handle right up here. Just find that, go right leg first, put yourself right there in that seat. Find that receptacle, same thing, slide it in, give it a firm tug. Okay, John. Right? Okay, so suggestion, you don't have to use all this, but there's a handle up here.
Right.
Handle here, avoid hold, avoid step.
Gotcha. And then he holds.
Okay. Are you still filming?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Well, hi. Wow. You're going to want one of these things after you're done, you know.
Yeah, right. Right.
Wow. All things are possible, you know. When I was your age, I never saw myself doing this.